Good morning. The preventive measures of any healthcare associated infections, standard precautions are followed. During this COVID 19 pandemic, hand hygiene has been a part of personal hygiene. As you all know, the hands of the healthcare worker remains a common mode of transmission of healthcare associated infections. It was Ignaz Semmelweis, a Hungarian physician, who observed the importance of hand hygiene, that is, which can prevent infections from any patients or from any healthcare worker to the patients. The hand hygiene has been internationally recognized as the common mode to prevent healthcare associated infections. So, an effective hand hygiene technique forms the cornerstone of all the measures of preventing HAI. Now, our sister Binita will be demonstrating the moments of hand hygiene and the steps of hand hygiene. All of us should remember that hand wash should be done with a soap and running water. Hand wash is never a substitute for gloves. After patient care activities, removal of gloves has to be followed with a hand wash. Also, after doffing the personal protective equipment,
Now I am going to demonstrate you the steps of proper hand washing. This is soap and water, a faucet which can be elbow operated or foot operated.
First thing is to keep your sleeves at elbow level. Then remove your jewelries. Then wet your hands with water. Apply enough soap over your hand surfaces. And then rub your hands palm to palm. Then right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Rub again palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Rub back of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Then rub rotationally the right thumb clasped in left palm and vice versa. Now clean tip of fingers by rubbing rotationally forwards and backwards with clasped fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. And last one is rubbing your wrist using rotational movements and vice versa. Rinse thoroughly with running water. But there is no more soap in your hands. Then dry the hands thoroughly using paper towel. And now the hands are clean and safe.